Hey guys, what is up? I am back. I know it's been a hot minute since a Garden Diaries episode, but the garden has been growing despite my absence. I gotta get outside. I have a ton of things I need to do. I want to plant some more seeds. I want to get started on my potatoes. It's April 19th? Yeah. I just don't know where the month's gone. I've been super busy the last few months, gallivanting around, traveling and working, and I love my job, but sometimes I just crave getting out in the garden, and unfortunately, when you're really busy with work, you just sometimes don't have the option. I started feeling pretty guilty and I started missing my garden, so what I did was I went to the garden center today and I bought more plants, yay! Because that's rational, you know, when you don't have time to take care of your garden, what you need is to go buy more plants. Sometimes I buy so many plants that I'm like, oh my gosh, what am I doing? Whatever guys, it's life, do what makes you happy. And buying plants makes me happy. I kind of was really feeling these pink colors for the garden, so I think I'm gonna go with the pink theme, but every year I kind of do this where I'm like, okay, I'm gonna choose a color scheme, and then by the end of the season I'm like, what is the color scheme going on here? It's just like every color imaginable. But anyway guys, let's not waste any more time just sitting around drinking coffee. Let's drink coffee while we work in the garden. Let's go. All right, so here's what we're working with. Welcome back. I know it's been a while. We've got, oh my goodness, look at these peas, guys. These are the alderman telephone peas. Over here we've got, I believe these were sugar daddy snap peas, but you can go back and watch, I can't remember. We've got 2 types of radish, Easter egg blend, and French breakfast. These are almost ready to harvest. So what I want to do is plant some more, interplant some more, as well as some more carrots. We've got bolero. These are going to be a bigger carrot, and then we've got like little scarlet nanties here. Okay, and we can't forget the show-stopping lettuce. Arugula here is looking great, super big. We had some hail come through, so I think it kind of got a little bit damaged, but I'm gonna eat that. Lots of cilantro in there, peppermint chard, more cilantro, a darkness lettuce, freckles lettuce. Oh, I gotta get a close-up with this. Look at how beautiful these leaves are, guys. Continuing on, we've got romaine, and then finally the spinach is really starting to come along now, and this is some corn salad that I threw in. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move this planter back into its original spot and just start tidying up around here and getting it ready for the actual growing season. The good thing about putting this on wheels is I can pretty much move it on my own, she says. Let's see if I actually can. I just need some momentum here. There we go, here we go, yay. Didn't do all those squats for nothing. Break. Okay, this arugula is like literally so good. Am I the only one who has all this random wood just laying around? So what I think I'm gonna do is just lay these out here for a few days just to see if I like the orientation. This is something I picked up at the garden center today on a whim. It's a honeysuckle, and growing up we had one of these growing over an arch trellis by our driveway. It just was kind of nostalgic for me, so I went ahead and bought it. I'm gonna try and grow it along the fence line. Okay, if I can get it off. Caring for your vine. Whoa, oh my gosh. What I remember from these plants growing up was that it was like a very prolific vine. Oh, I was gonna put this Nature's Pride veg in there. Oh well, let's just sprinkle a little bit on top. This stuff is magic. Some of the best things I've done in my garden have been impulse buys. Hopefully this one pays off. I'm excited. Okay, it's time for the last few tasks. I'm gonna trellis these. Hey friends, it's another day and I'm eating some salad from the garden I went out and harvested because I noticed the arugula was gonna go to bolt soon, so had to be eaten. I'm gonna insert some footage here just to update you guys on what's going on upstairs. So we've got all of our tomatoes, we've got indigo rose, Amish paste, Manitoba, sunrise bumblebee, and farm Roma. And we also have some peppers, shishito and red candy cane. Everything's doing pretty well. I will say things are quite large. I may have started things a bit too early. They're getting a little hard to take care of, but it is what it is. I got excited, what can I say? Okay, I'm gonna call that a video. Thanks guys for watching. I hope I was able to motivate you a little bit to go outside. Turn off your computer now after you watch this and get outside. It's not too late to start, it's only April. So yeah, get outside, get your hands in the dirt, and I will see you guys next time.